Dr. Francisco Legas Cervantes, Chairman of the International Juvenile Justice Observatory, members of the board of the International Juvenile Justice Observatory, ladies and gentlemen, salam. The African Child Policy Forum would like to thank you, the International Juvenile Justice Observatory, for this special recognition. We are deeply honored. We are extremely pleased to receive the prestigious Juvenile Justice Without Borders International Award. Children on the margins of society are also on the margins of justice. In Africa, this is truer in the case of more children than in any other group of society. We at the African Child Policy Forum have a keen focus on African children at the margins, including those in contact or in conflict with the law. We therefore take this award not just as a recognition of our past efforts, but also as an inspiration to sustain these efforts towards promoting child-friendly justice systems in Africa with more vigor and greater drive. It is a reminder that there are still far too many children trapped in unfriendly justice systems and deprived of liberty, missing out on their childhood, a childhood they can never get back. It gives us a greater sense of urgency to protect and promote the rights of these children before their childhood runs out. I want to salute the staff of African Child Policy Forum, past and present, whose hard work and dedication has brought us this far. I am immensely grateful to our friends and partners who are committed to our shared aspirations for our African children. Winning this award would not have been possible without the vision and inspiration of our International Board of Trustees. I am honestly grateful to each one of them, past and present. Allow me to highlight some of our works on child justice. In 2005, the African Child Policy Forum established the Children's Legal Protection Center in Ethiopia, a center that provided legal counseling and judicial representation for children who came into contact with the law or in conflict with it. After many years of offering legal representation to thousands of children seeking legal redress for violations of their rights, and also ensuring equality of arms when they came into conflict with the law, we handed over the project to the Ethiopian Supreme Court, hence ensuring sustainability of this project. This remains a vibrant program to date, and it has contributed to significant gains in promoting juvenile justice in Ethiopia. Much remains to be done in replicating this same approach in more African countries. Our series on harmonization of laws documents and publishes the progress of African states in ensuring compatibility of the norms and standards of the African Charter on the Rights and Welfare of the Child, as well as the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child. Some of the major themes covered in this series include the disparate age of criminal responsibility in various African jurisdictions that effectively denies children the right to be children. Our research work on access to justice for children, our documentaries, our conferences comprehensively documented the experiences of children on the African continent in accessing justice and provided the basis of several successful continental and global dialogue forums advocating for greater access to justice for children. Our new study, Behind Bars Without a Crime, forthcoming in January 2021, documents the status of children living with imprisoned mothers in Ethiopia. It provides an analysis of the legal and policy framework. We look forward to it catalyzing much needed legal and policy reforms in protecting the rights of these children. These are only some of our major research endeavors in the area of juvenile justice, which together provide good fodder to our capacity building and evidence-based advocacy and dialogue for change in domestic juvenile systems. It is through such programs that the African Child Policy Forum has influenced policies, worked tirelessly to shift them into programs of good practices, and thus made a difference to the situation of children within the justice system in many African countries. Thank you once again for awarding the African Child Policy Forum with the Juvenile Justice Without Borders International Award. It is indeed enormous recognition for the role that we at the African Child Policy Forum have played in the promotion of a child-friendly justice system in Africa. It is an acknowledgement of the rights of our African children and the progress made this far. This award means so much to us, especially as it comes this year in 2020, when the Day of the African Child, 16th of June, was dedicated to the theme, Access to a Child-Friendly Justice in Africa. I wish to affirm our deep commitment to the rights of children in the justice systems on our continent. I thank you.